Maybe you're ready to purchase your first home, or maybe you've realized it's time to sell the starter home and move into a bigger place. Either way, it's important to know your options.
For most people, the purchase of a home is the largest single investment that they will make in their lifetime. There are many elements to consider, especially for a first-time home buyer. It begins with financial qualification. Then we go on to consider the area that they would like to live in and the size of the home that their family would require. Then there are many other things such as information on school systems, home warranties, flood zone concerns. At Berkshire Hathaway Home Services New Jersey Properties, our sales professionals are experts at helping the prospective buyers navigate through all of these issues. One of the unique things about our organization is our commitment to the philosophy of doing more business with fewer agents. We want sales associates who are full-time and actively engaged in the business.
The professionals at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services New Jersey Properties are here to help guide you through every step of the buying or selling process.
A lot of agents tend to just throw everything at a buyer, and you're wasting time because you're showing them things that they don't really want. It's a matter of trust, whether it be a buyer or a seller. This is most likely the largest transaction they will have made in their lives. So it is very important that you go through the entire process so they understand every bit of the details from the beginning to the end of the transaction. As a realtor, it is very important that you understand the market and all the different things that can happen during a transaction. In this market in particular, where it is such a seller's market, you have to prepare the buyer to be ready to possibly have to go into multiple bid situations. And that way you must educate them on the value of the house and also what is going to happen maybe 5 years down the line when they have to sell it.
At Berkshire Hathaway New Jersey Properties, we have a significant and long-term experience in the areas that we serve, and we have the expertise to assist any needs that may arise for our buyers, from pre-approval to neighborhood choice, to structuring an offer, navigating attorney review, understanding what an appraisal means, or explaining the details of closing day. The experience that we have allows us to bring a mindset and a comfort level to each relationship, which is important because every transaction is different and there's always something to learn.
Berkshire Hathaway Home Services was only the second company out of the more than 40 companies owned by Berkshire Hathaway to carry the parent company's name. They wanted to establish a forever brand in the real estate industry, and we are very happy to be part of it.
I personally think that Berkshire Hathaway Home Services New Jersey Properties has all of the materials, information to do the best job that a real estate company can do for a buyer or a seller.
The best part of helping buyer clients is knowing that we're helping families establish roots, build wealth, and greater stability.
For more information on how to buy or sell your home through Berkshire Hathaway Home Services New Jersey Properties, visit their website, bhhsnj.com, or see this segment again at designingspaces.tv.